Yo, what up, baby? What y'all got going, man? Look, that's right. The video said, y'all seen it in the headline, y'all seen it on the thumbnail. Waves, 360 waves in 24 hours. So, as you can see, I'm froed up. Now, this is a disclaimer, okay? This is gonna only work if your hair is wave length, okay? If you got a 1 or 2, it's not gonna work as well because your waves, they gotta form, you know what I'm saying? So your hair has to be long enough for them to form. All right. Number one, the things you're gonna need, okay? This is very important. You're gonna need a hard to soft brush. And the reason why you need the hard brush is for when you put the lavender in your head and you shampoo your head. You know what I'm saying? This gonna help you lay your hair down. Now the soft brush is for when you wake up early in the morning and you take off that do-rag. You want to brush it with the soft part, because if you brush it with the hard part, the waves they're gonna stand up. Your hair is gonna stand up. So with the soft part, it's not getting too deep and it's not bringing the hair up. So that's why a lot of y'all, when y'all do waves and then y'all take the wave cap off and you don't have no waves like later in the day, that's because you don't have a soft brush. You need to be brushing with the soft brush. All right. Number 2 thing you're going to need. You're going to need a mirror, okay? You're going to need a mirror. You're going to need one of these, all right? And the reason why you need one of these is to get the back of that head. You see how you can see the back of my head? You see that? See that? So that's how you're going to get the back of your head and look at your circle of your hair and everything like that and just make sure everything's good. All right. And then the third thing you're going to need either some lavender shampoo. What I like to use is the almond shea butter. Suave shampoo. This worked pretty good. The lavender is pretty good. I ain't, one of the ones that be like, oh, go get this product, go get it. I'm telling you this from experience, all right? All right? And none of these are sponsored. Now, you can go to your local beauty supply store, house, whatever, and get you one of these brushes, all right? You're going to need different type of brushes because as your hair grows and you start woofing, you're going to need this hard part, especially to get it to lay down, So what you want to do first is just rinse your hair, wash your hair, get it real wet. So guys, I'm back. I'm rinsed. All right. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure your hair is really soaked, like wet. All right. First thing first, you want to add shampoo. Okay. Add the shampoo or your lavender, whichever one. All right. Now what the shampoo is going to do and the lavender does is lay the hair down so you can brush it. Right? You want to make sure you get a lot on there. Don't be scared of it. You know what I mean? Get a lot on there. Don't be scared of it. Alright, once you see it's lavendering up, you see I'm not even brushing. I'm just rubbing my hair and you can pretty much already see the waves forming. And like I said, bro, I haven't been brushing or nothing. I haven't been woofing or not. I haven't been brushing at all. But as you guys can see, the waves are already coming in. More shampoo. Okay. Right? So once you get that lavender down, what you're going to want to start to do is look in the mirror and brush. Okay. Make sure your hair is fully covered. Make sure, like I said, bro, y'all can already see the waves pretty much, bro. Just from me just putting that lavender on it. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is, you want to take your brush, right? You want to start brushing. And you want to look in the mirror and see which way your hair is going, right? So you want to brush whichever way your hair going. And the way you find that out is by brushing. There's no other quicker way to find it out than brushing, okay? What you need to do is pay attention to which way your hair is going, which way has a more reaction, and which way how the waves connect. You see, You see, my waves already connected because I know which way to brush. So I know which way to brush. Now, you guys, again, it's very important that you know which way to brush. If you're brushing the wrong way, then your hair is not going to be wavy. It's just not. It's not going to be wavy at all. And the reason being is because you're not following your hairline. I mean your how you say, your chrome spiral, whatever is on top of your head, that circle thing. I can't think of what it's called. Y'all don't get me on. Oh, your crown. There you go, crown. As you guys can see, bro, the waves are already coming in, bro, and I haven't even been brushing that long. I have not been brushing that long, and keep in mind, you guys, I have not been brushing at all. Like, I have not been keeping up with my hair, brushing it, none of that. I'm gonna speed through this though. Welcome back. So, this is the most important step right here. You want to put your do-rag on. Now, I don't know what some of y'all do. Okay, you see the waves. You see the waves. All right. I don't know what some of y'all do, but I used to tie a do-rag all wrong. And the reason I say that is because when I used to tie my do-rag, it really didn't hold on. It really didn't hold on, you know, as far as like while I sleep and stuff like that. So these thingies, and I think it's a wave cap. It's not a do-rag, but it's a wave cap. And these really enforce, you know, they really enforce as far as holding your hair down. So I put that on first. All right, over the ears, of course, because you got hairs back there, and I want this extra tight. So I want to fold it until it's tight enough. You know how to be rolled up, and then you just put it on a do-rag. Don't do that, because it's going to leave that line in your head, and people can see that you had a do-rag on all night. So, basically what they said do is you put the do-rag on, right? So, when you put the do-rag on, you want to bring it, like right here, to the middle of your forehead, and you want to make sure that line is in the middle of the forehead. If you got a lace, you want to make sure the lace, like some do-rags have a lace in there, you want to make sure the lace is facing out, because that lace will put a line in your head too. So, all right. Now with this, you want to go back. But the difference is, all right, you want to keep one in the back, and you want to bring this one all the way around, right? Whichever one you do first, bring it all the way around. But you want to make sure that it's fully opened up. You don't want it to ball up, roll up, whatever you call it. Then you want to take this one, and you want to make sure that in the back that it's flat. You don't want it balled up in the back, especially. All right. So this one, you're gonna come through, and it doesn't really matter if it's on the top of it, you know, just as long as it's flat and it's open. All right. Boom. All right. So what's really crucial is you want to rinse your hair out. Okay. You want to rinse that hair out. And I like to tug on my do-rag just to get a little bit more, for it to be a little bit more snug. But if you see in the back, if you look in the back right here, there's no line. It's all flat. It's all flat. Only thing that's like tugging is the knot right here. But other than that, it's all flat. And that's what you want. You don't want it stringing up and doing all the other stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna rinse off. Then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna show y'all the ending result. Tell y'all, bro, make sure you rinse with cold water. Don't rinse with hot water. Rinse with cold water. Okay. That hot water gonna make it frizz up. Okay. You want to rinse it with cold water. All right. So I experienced when I rinse it with hot water, my shit. Bing, so rinse it with cold water. Rinse it with cold water. And I know what you're thinking, man. That water be cold. Yeah, I hate cold shower too. But you want them waves, baby. You want them waves, baby. Let's see what's breaking. Not yet. Not yet.
What's that looking like?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. There's the back. Get y'all a better view real quick. Ooh. Saucy, baby. Saucy, baby. Whoa. Whoa. Is it saucy? Is it saucy? Please like and subscribe. I know the back needs a little bit more work, but for the most part, you know, if you guys want the waves, man, like I said, it don't take that long to get waves. Your hair just gotta be wavy. Get the back. Your hair just gotta be wavy, man. That's it. And y'all can have waves. Just like this. Connected. They connected. Yeah, for sure.